Today I'll be reviewing this gift set. First and foremost, I do want to say thank you to the company for sending me this product so I could give you my full and honest review. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it and show you everything that is included inside the box. Take a look. First impression says just for you, and it has a bunch of goodies in here. So I'm going to go ahead and take out one by one and show you what they look like. So you get a little hand cream. This is a little card you could go ahead and personalize. A little magnetic wallet for your phone. A cute little heart keychain. Take a look. Does have a little button right there. Open it up. It is a cute pink jewelry box. You get a handmade candle. Ooh, it smells really good. It smells like flowers. So definitely cute little pink candle. Get a sleeping mask. I'm gonna take it out. Ooh, nice and soft satin sleeping mask. Elastic band on the back, nice and stretchy. Get this beautiful mug. Take a look, tea set or mug. Such a nice design. And then it also even comes with a little golden spoon. Cute little socks. They look so fluffy, little happy wine socks. Last but not least, you get this little baggie. And inside the baggie, it is makeup brushes. So take a look. Get a variety of makeup brushes. So this is perfect for that makeup lover, for that family member, for that friend, or even for yourself. Overall, if you're looking for a cute little gift set for a loved one, I would definitely recommend